Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video actually I'm going to show you by creating a simple navigation bar using HTML and CSS. So let's create it. So I will save it as navbar.html, and here I will type HTML, and here actually I want to let's say I want to add a navbar. So and here I want to add UL, let's say home. Let me just copy it, log in, contact us. Okay, let's say so we have navbar here, and actually I want to set here h1, or let's say paragraph tag, or let's say an anchor tag, and that will be, let's say, home. Actually I want to remove it from here, and I want to say that home, and that is like same page. Okay, navbar.html. So I have added a link here, navbar.html. Actually when somebody actually click on the home, it will actually took him to the same page, and we have unordered list here. So we have added two lists, one for the login and one for the contact us. Okay, so now let's check how it's actually look like. So we'll go to the browser. Here you can see we have home here. If I click on home, we are in the same page, and we have two list here, right? So let's do style for it. So first of all, here I will say navbar, let's say. So I need to do style in the same page, so I will say here style, and I will do style in the same page. So I want to actually give it a class, so the class will be, let's say, navbar, and I want to access the class. Let me just copy the class name, and here I want to give dot and then class name. So I will say here display, let's say, okay, let's say I want to say here display as block, and position would be, let's say, fixed. I want to say top 0. Let's go here and refresh. Okay, so in the top, and actually I want to set a background color for it. So background color, let's say gray. Refresh. Okay, so we have here there is fixed actually, so I have to actually give here width of, let's say, 100%, so that it actually go it actually cover the whole page. Okay, so actually I want to set here star for the all page, whole page, right? And here I want to say that padding 0 and margin 0. It means I don't want any space inside and outside of any element. Okay, and if I need, actually I can add through the I can give here a class like this, and I can actually make here some changes, right? Okay, so here you can see we have like this, and let's say I want to remove the list here. So actually I want to add padding and margin. So I want to say I want to add actually padding of 10 pixel. Okay, refresh. Okay, let's say 20 pixel. If I refresh, now you can see we got some space inside it. So actually I want to show them as flex, so I have to say here that, okay, I want to display all the item as flex. So let me just remove the block. I will say here flex. Okay, and the flex, I want to actually say justify content space between. Refresh. Okay, now you can see we have home here, and we have in the other side actually we have all the links. So actually I want to access the li. Okay, so I will say here dot navbar ul li. Actually I don't want any list style actually, so I will say list style none. Refresh. Okay, so there is no list style, and actually I want to say that, okay, navbar list item will be shown as block. So I will say here display block, so that it goes in the in the same row. So if I refresh, nothing happened. Okay, so I have to give here inline block. Okay, inline block. So actually it will go to the, it will now show row by, okay, I mean in a row. Here you can see they are in a row. And actually I want to add padding, so I will say margin. Let's say I want to add margin at the right side, so I will say right of, let's say 20 pixel. If I refresh, now they are in the right side. Okay, let me just add more space in the right side, so I'll refresh it. Okay, now you can see, and now actually I can add okay, I can actually change the color also, so color to actually white. Now if I refresh, now you can see the text color is also changed. And I want to change the anchor tag color also, so I will say here dot navbar. I mean I want to access the nav, and I want to say that okay, navbar anchor tag color should be white. If I refresh, now you can see our text color is white. You can actually remove the decoration also, so I have to say here text decoration, and there is none. Okay, that's it. If I refresh, now you can see there is no text decoration. Okay, but here you can see we cannot actually click on these two fields, I mean sorry, two options like login and contact us. So if I want to access them, I just have to give here anchor text, so I have to write here like this, and I have to close it here. Okay, and here I just have to give reference, and there is, let's say for now, hash. Actually I want to add anchor tag here also, and I have to close it. And here actually I want to say href hash. Now if I go here refresh, now you can see now it's actually clickable. Okay, so you can see we have created a nice navbar, right? So now you can see the navbar is, horizontally, so you can actually create vertical navbar also. So I can actually select here, let's say here you can see we have flex, and I can say here that flex direction should be column. Okay, now if I refresh, now you can see they are in the column wise. Okay, and actually I want to set width for the navbar, so I will say here width of, let's say not 100%, actually I want to set, let's say 100 pixel, but the height, let's say 100%. Okay, refresh. Okay, now you can see they are in the horizontal way. Okay, so we have a horizontal navbar, and actually I don't want here justify content space between. I just need to remove it and refresh. Now you can see they are in the column wise. Okay, so actually I can give here width of, let's say 150 pixel, because okay, now actually it's look awesome, right? Okay, so that's it. Now actually you can see our navbar is in now in column, I mean vertically, right? It's showing vertically, and we can actually show it horizontally also. We just have to give here flex direction row. That's it. If I refresh, now you can see, and we just have to give here width 100%, and we just have to remove the height, and we just have to give here width of 100%. Okay, that's it. Refresh. Okay, now you can see we have home, login, contact us. That's it. So I hope you understand. So this is how actually you can create a navbar. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.